to use ChatGPT in 5 minutes. I'm going to be breaking down step by step how you can set up your account to actually giving it effective prompts to give you some value in your life. I'm sure everyone's seen the absolute craze out there on ChatGPT because it's taking the world by storm. And I personally have benefited a ton from just being able to use ChatGPT. So I want to share all those benefits with the rest of the world. So let's dive in. So you got to sign into OpenAI. You got to create an account. The first basic things you want to do when you're starting out is create these custom instructions. So how would you like ChatGPT to know you better so they can provide better responses, and then train it on how you would like them to respond. So there's a few different ways you got to fill out this information, go through some stuff, and make sure that's set up correctly. Next, I'm going to touch on ChatGPT 3.5 and the paid version. So 3.5 is free. It has a ton of functionalities. ChatGPT 4 is just more an advanced language model that's going to give you better responses and has more functionalities with the plugins. I think it's totally worth the subscription. Depending on where you're located, it's a measly $20 a month, and it is game-changing no matter what you're trying to do. Anywhere from helping me with my business to helping me plan the meals I'm going to do to helping me go on trips. I'm sure everyone has had an absolute pain trying to plan trips, where you can now use plugins on Kayak that handle all that for you in a matter of minutes instead of you spending days upon days trying to surf the web to find the best deals. But let's just touch on a few things. So one thing you really need to understand is prompting this correctly. So what you want to start is, first question you want to ask is, how can I personally benefit from using ChatGPT? And just ask it to see what it wants. So it's going to tell me I can gather real estate research and analysis, investment analysis, business growth, personal development, things on green energy because I'm interested in that, climate change, and some proactive problem solving. So great, useful. But I can take it a step further. I want to say, hey, plan me a recipe using chicken that takes less than 30 minutes to cook and prep the food. Don't know what I want to eat tonight? Awesome, let's figure out what it is. Oh, it gives me a stir-fry recipe and everything that I'm going to need in order to make the sauce and how I can do it all. Pretty powerful stuff, right? Like I could do it even a step further where I could say, hey, now write me a YouTube script for the above recipe. Now I'll go into everything I need to do for a YouTube script, from prepping the work, the visuals of it, and everything that I need to closing remarks, plugging my YouTube channel. It's really amazing, useful that you can use it for. And then using some of these plugins is just crazy. Like I'll go to my Wolfram plugin there where I was telling it, hey, I'm currently wanting to do a weight loss regimen. I am currently weigh 230 pounds. I'm 6'2". I'd like to build some muscle and lose fat. My target goal is 205 in 4 months' time. Then it tells me how many calories I need to lose in order to achieve this in a time frame. It breaks down exactly how I should be working out, tracking my progress, what I should do each month. It's pretty powerful stuff. It's absolutely amazing. So that's the paid version with using these plugins. And you can take it a step further with pretty much anything. The ones I use are WebPilot, BAI, Video Insight, Wolfram, Zapier, and then the Kayak, which is absolutely crazy. You can see right here, I asked it to help me book a trip to Paris from New York, give me flights, and then give me the best hotels close to restaurants. It's pretty amazing and powerful stuff. You want to start using it now because I can guarantee, I know there's an application for it. No matter who you are, it can provide value to you in your life. For the people that want to follow along my AI journey, you want to subscribe to this channel, as I'm going to be taking you through everything that I'm learning firsthand and giving you what I think is actually valuable and useful. But for the people who want to take a step further and you want to know what AI tools I'm using in my business to really evolve everything and take it to the next step, you're going to go to my Instagram at russellmortlock.realestate and shoot me a DM saying AI tools. I'll provide you a copy.